Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you're probably frustrated with the Goodbudget app not syncing properly. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to walk you through some simple, effective fixes that can get your budgeting back on track in no time. Goodbudget is a fantastic tool for managing your finances, but like any app, it can hit syncing snags due to internet problems, outdated software, or minor glitches. Let's dive right in and fix this step by step. First things first, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Sometimes, a weak signal can prevent the app from syncing your budgets and transactions. Open your settings and verify that everything is online. If not, restart your router or switch networks. Next, try restarting the Goodbudget app. This is a quick and easy troubleshoot that often resolves temporary issues. Simply close the app completely and reopen it. If you're on a mobile device, you might even want to restart your phone for good measure. It clears out any background processes that could be causing conflicts. Now, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. An outdated version of Goodbudget might be the root cause, as developers release patches to fix syncing bugs. If an update is available, install it and then relaunch the app to see if syncing works. If that doesn't do the trick, log out of your Goodbudget account and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication problems. Go to the app's settings, find the logout option, sign back in with your credentials, and test the sync. Another helpful step is clearing the app's cache, especially on Android devices. Navigate to your phone's settings, select Apps, find Goodbudget, and clear the cache. On iOS, you can try offloading the app or restarting your device to achieve a similar effect. If you've tried all these and still no luck, it's time to contact Goodbudget's support team. They have resources like help articles or live chat to assist with more complex issues. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key. Tech problems like this are usually fixable with a little patience. There you have it. By following these steps, your Goodbudget app should be syncing seamlessly again, helping you stay on top of your finances. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.